Let's look at Chapter 9, Lesson 1 review. For the geometry part, we're going to use the figures. Write the letters of the rectangles that have the same perimeter. The keywords in the directions are going to be same perimeter. So I need to figure out how much each perimeter is before I can start. I know that perimeter is when I'm going to add up all of the sides. So looking at letter A, I know that I'm going to have 9 plus 9, which is 18, and 5 plus 5, which is 10. 18 plus 10 is going to be 28. For letter B, I have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 4 times 10, which is going to be 40. For letter C, I have 6 plus 6, and also 13 plus 13. I know that 13 plus 13 is going to be 26, and 6 plus 6 is 12, so I'm going to add it up. I know that this is 8 and 3, so the perimeter for letter C is 38. For letter D, I have 12 plus 12 is 24, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So again, I have 28. For number 15 and 4, we have 15 plus 15, which is 30, and 4 plus 4, which is 8. Together, I have 38. For letter F, I have 13 and 7, so 13 plus 13 is 26. And 7 plus 7 is going to be 14. Add it up, and I get 40. For letter G, I have 7 plus 7 is 14, and 10 plus 10 is 20. Add it up, and you're going to get 34. Letter H, I have 8 plus 8, which is 16, and 9 plus 9, which is 18. I'm going to add it up, and I get 34. So I can see that 28 and 28 would be A and D. 40 would be letter B and letter F. 38 would be letter C and letter E. And letter G and letter H would be 34. Make sure that you have all of your work. Look at problem solving where Josh swims 5 days each week. During the first week, he swam 2 laps of the pool each day. The second week, he swam 4 laps each day. During the third week, he swam 6 laps each day. If he continued this pattern, what is the total number of laps he would swim during the 5th week? I'm going to go ahead and underline he swims 5 days each week. The first week, he swam 2 laps. The second week, he swam 4 laps. The third week, he swam 6 laps. I'm going to use this information now to create a chart. My chart has the week, the laps per day, and the total for that week. So for the first week, I know that he swam 2 laps each day. Now I need to find the total, which I would take 2 times 5, because there's 5 days in a week, which would equal 10. For the second week, he swam 4 laps. I'm going to take 4 times 5, 4 laps per day, 5 days a week, which equals 20. For the third week, he swam 6. 6 times 5 is 30. For the fourth week, he swam 8. 8 times 5 is 40. And for the fifth week, he's going to swim 10. 10 times 5, which equals 50. So answering the questions, if he continued this pattern, what is the total number of laps he swam during the 5th week? Which would be 50 laps for week 5. Remember to have a chart or some sort of explanation